everyone! Today, we're going to learn how to draw the magical tooth fairy. So let's get started. Start by drawing her hairline and then add some wavy lines to show her long hair cascading down. You can get creative with her hairstyle. And don't forget her crown. Draw a small, pointy crown on top of her head. Now, we're going to start with the basic outline of the tooth fairy. Draw a small oval for her head near the top of your paper. Next, let's add some facial features. Draw 2 small circles for her eyes, a tiny triangle for her nose, and a smiling mouth. Below that, sketch a larger oval for her body. For her arms, draw 2 curved lines extending from her body with small ovals for her hands. For her legs, draw 2 slightly curved lines coming down from her body with small ovals for her feet. Draw 2 large, oval-shaped wings extending from her back. You can add some patterns or designs to make them look more magical. All day long. Doors on the bus, they open and shut. Yellow color. Open and shut, open and shut. Doors on the bus, they open and shut all day long. Bell on the bus goes ding, 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 ding. Bell on the bus goes ding, 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 all day long. Pink color. Up and down, up and down, up and down. People in the bus go up and down all day long. Wheels in the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. Wheels in the bus go round. Light blue color. All day long, all day long, all day long. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on drawing the tooth fairy. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more drawing videos. Until next, goodbye.